Hello, hello, my fellow weirdos. Ashley here once again to give you guys some tips and tricks on essential oils. So today we're going to be talking about my after sun spray recipe. So this is something that you use after you've had a little bit too much fun in the sun and your skin is all red and stuff and it burns and it hurts. So this is something to help you find relief with that. So what you're going to need is a 4-ounce glass spray bottle. And in that spray bottle, you're going to do 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil, which you can find pretty much any pharmacy place. I usually get mine at Walmart. And then you're going to want 8 drops of tea tree. Mine says Melaleuca because it's the old bottle, but they officially call it tea tree now. So you want 8 drops of that, and then 8 drops of lavender. I'm getting used to this new camera. Then you'll want 8 drops of peppermint, which we talked about last week. And then finally, if you want to give it a little extra boost, you can do 8 drops of Copaiba. You don't have to, but I like to put it in there just to give it a little more oomph. So all 4 oils are really good for your skin. In the instance of peppermint, we talked about last week how it is a natural coolant. It gives you that cooling sensation, so it pulls the heat out of that burn to help heal it. Melaleuca and lavender are both like my go-tos for skin issues, so it's like any mild burns, paper cuts, you name it. I go to one of those 2 first, and then I move up to something else if it's not quite working for whatever reason. But those 2 are my go-to because usually that fixes it right from the get-go. And of course, we all know vitamin E oil is really good for your skin too. Everyone suggests vitamin E oil. So once you got all of those in there, you're going to fill that spray bottle to the halfway mark with aloe vera juice. Not the gel, you want the juice because we're putting it in a spray. If you do the gel, it's not going to come through the spray very well, whereas the juice is actually liquid, so it actually will. And then the rest of the way, you're going to do fractionated coconut oil. So that is what I have for you guys today. Next week, we will be talking about some back to school stuff. I know we all don't want to go back to school. We just started talking about summer fun, and now it's already time to talk about school. It's like you blink and summer's over. So you guys have a really good day. Keep being your awesomely weird selves, and I will see you next week. Bye!